you're scrolling, while others are literally making money with AI anime videos. Yeah, the same kind of videos you watch for free every day. Pages on Instagram are pulling millions of views with these clips, and brands are paying them just to add a logo. So the real question is, why aren't you doing this yet? In this video, I'll show you how to create these videos in just 2 minutes. Don't skip anything, or you'll miss the flow and have to re-watch. Let's start. First, go to Claude AI. Now copy and paste the master prompt from my doc file or Telegram channel, and hit enter. This prompt contains all details regarding anime-style video, so you can generate any type of anime video with this. It will ask how many ideas you want. 3, 5, even 10 at once. I'm choosing 3. That's the power of Claude. Next, it will ask for things like season, mood, theme, or video type. Select whatever fits your style. Then choose your character focus: solo male, female, duo, or mixed. Now watch this. It generates everything for you: video title, scene breakdown, text-to-image prompts, and image-to-video prompts for all 3 videos. Now, copy the image prompt from Claude AI. Go to Hailuo AI. You'll see options like Create Video, Create Image, and Hailuo Agent. Start with Create Image. Select the model. Right now, Nano Banana 2 is one of the best options. Paste your prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate. Wait a few seconds. Your anime-style image is ready. If you want, download it, or go directly to the video. It will automatically use this image as your first frame. Now choose the video model. You'll see options like Hailuo 2.3, fast versions, VEO 3.1, and Sora 2. Select VEO 3.1 fast for the best balance of speed and quality. Set ratio to 9:16, resolution to 1080p. Now go back to Claude, copy the image to video prompt, paste it here, and hit generate. Done. Your video is ready. I tested multiple prompts, and the results look amazing. Now imagine this. Upload these videos on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. Build an audience. And once your page grows, brands will start reaching out for collaborations. That's how people are making money with this. Now let's explore a few more features inside Hailuo AI. Go to Tools. You'll find Light Studio, Hailuo Agent, and Video Generator. Let's start with Light Studio. This lets you change lighting like professional movie scenes. Upload your image. Choose a template like Dune Oasis, and generate. You'll get cinematic lighting instantly. You can even use this for product photos. No photo shoot needed. Next, open Hailuo Agent. Here you can do advanced things. For example, upload a cat image and a living room, and ask for a realistic scene. It will generate it. You can also create videos using the first and last frames. Select 2 frames, hit generate, and the AI fills the motion in between. Now here's a powerful use case: product marketing. Upload a model image, then upload multiple clothing items. The AI will generate images of that model wearing your products. Perfect for e-commerce. Now go back to the homepage. You'll see trending templates. Pick any template you like, upload your image, and generate instantly. For example, I tried a skiing freeze frame template. Just uploaded a character image, hit generate, and the video was ready. Super clean. You can use these templates to create ads, reels, or viral content. So in this video, you learned multiple ways to create and even earn using AI. Now it's your turn. Pick one method, try it today, and start building. Because the people winning right now are not watching, they're creating. Thanks for watching.